and welcome to our spoken English classes. Now tell me what we learned in previous video. Yes, we learned about tenses. Now I will remember that in previous video. Okay, now what is mean by tenses? Yes, tenses means time. Yes, and tenses mainly divided into how many kinds? Yes, there are divided into 3 kinds. First one is present, past, future. Yes, again these 3 tenses divided into how many aspects? Yes, these are divided into 12 aspects. Each one has 4 aspects. Yes. Okay, friends. Now I will, if you didn't watch that video, I will give link in description box. You go to description box and you can watch it. Okay, now in today's video we are learning about interrogative sentence. How to form interrogative sentence in present simple tense. Okay, begin. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence or question formed from present simple tense. Now what is mean by interrogative sentence? As interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks questions. Okay, and there are 2 kinds of interrogative sentence in present simple tense. Now let's learn about these. For learning the 2 types of interrogative sentence, now I will give one important note. Please note in your notebook. Now observe here carefully. Here singular, plural. What are singulars? What are plurals? Now I will tell you. Singulars means nouns that name one person, one place, one thing or one animals, that is called singular. For example, star, pen, book, bag. These are only one thing or one person. Okay, that is called singular. Now next, what is mean by plural? Plural means nouns that names more than one person, one place, one thing, or one animal. For example, books, tigers, lions, okay, stars, boxes. These are plural forms. Okay, now here look. What is first person, second person, third person? Are you confused? Not at all confused, because it is simple to learn. Now I will tell you. We already learned about singulars. The first person is I. I is a singular. Yes, that's why here I. Okay, I. Next, second person. Second person means you. Okay, you. You. Okay, next, third person. Third person means he. Third persons are he, she, it. Okay? He, she, it. Okay, now next in plural forms. First person is in plural, first person is we. Okay, we are students. Okay, more than one is called plural. Okay, that's why here we. Next, second person. Second person is you. We can use you singular or as well as plural also. Okay, here again you. And the third person is they. Okay, they are students. Okay friends, first person singular is I. Second person singular is you. Third person singular is he, she, it. Okay, next first person plural is we. Second person plural is you. Third person plural is they. We have to learn again and again this table. Okay friends, now I'll introduce B forms. B forms are is, am, are, was, were, be, been. These are B forms. Now, here is, am, are used in present simple tense or present continuous tense. Remaining was, were, be, been. These are used in other tenses like past and future. Okay, now here is used to third person he, she, it of singular form, and am is used to first person of singular. Okay, next are is used to you or plural forms. What we learn now? Yes, we learned about B forms. Okay, here look. Is used with third person singulars. What are third person singulars? Yes, third person singulars are he, she, it. These are third person singulars. Yes, for example, he is eating, she is playing, it is drinking. Now next, am is used for first person singular. What is first person singular? Yes, first person singular is I. Okay, first person singular is I. I is used with am is used with I. Yes, next are is used with second person plural. What is second person plural? You or plural forms. Okay, are is used with you or we, they. Yes, okay, friends, now I will give one more note, that is do forms. What now tell me, what are do forms? Do forms are do, does, did. These are do forms. Do, does we use in simple present tense. Okay, did we use in past tense. I will tell in another class. Okay friends, now do is used with I, you, we, they. Do is used with I, you, we, they. Okay, plural forms. Next, does is used with he, she, it. Okay friends, now let's go to our topic. Now tell me, what is our topic? Yes, our topic is two types of interrogative sentence. Yes, now what are these two types of interrogative sentence? I will tell you. First one is B form interrogative sentence. Second one is do form interrogative sentence. We already learnt about what are B forms, what are do forms. Yes, now tell me, what are B forms? Yes, B forms are am, is, are, and do forms do, does. These are do forms. Now I will give some examples for B form interrogative sentence. Look, I am crazy. They are students. We are players. He is clever. She is very fat. Now I am explaining be form interrogative sentence with one structure. Okay, the structure is be form plus subject plus object plus question mark. Okay, this is our structure. Here main thing is question mark because this is interrogative sentence. Yes, interrogative sentence means questioning. Yes, that's why I have to write the question mark here. Okay, now look at here, friends. I am crazy. In this, which is the be form? Yes, here am is the be form. I is the subject. Yes. Now go to our structure. Now look here. First, be form is in the first place. And next, the subject. The second place is the subject. But here, look. Here, be form is the first place. Yes, that's why we have to write first am. Here first am. Okay, first because be form is the first place. Next is subject. Next is subject. Yes, that's why we have to write the second place I. Okay, I have to write here I. Am I crazy? Next object plus object. Am I crazy? Okay, here main thing is question mark. Yes, this is the questioning, friends. Look. Okay, now another sentence. Here they are students. Here first in this sentence, which is the be form. Yes, here are is the be form. Yes, that's why I have to write here first are. Okay, next subject. Subject is they. Here are they. Are they. Next object. Object is students. That's why here are they students. Okay, are they students? And question mark. And here question mark. Okay, friends, now remaining sentence also like only. Here which is the be form? Is the be form. That's why here first is. Here subject is he. Yes, that's why is he. Is he clever? Okay, is he clever? Question mark. Next, she is very fat. Here, is she very fat? Okay, question. Okay, friends, are you understood this be form interrogative sentence? I hope you are understood. Now let's go to do form interrogative sentences. Now I am discussing about do forms. Now I will give some sentence examples. Look here. We play chess. They come here. You like tea. She learns English. He likes book. I look smart. Okay, now in the first sentence, we play chess. In this, which is the verb? Yes, the verb is play. Verb is play. And the subject is we. Yes. Now, Look here. Let's go to our structure. Here first do forms. Next then subject. V1 plus objects plus question mark compulsory. Okay, now in this sentence, now look here. First we have to add do forms. Now here we already learned we have to, in third person of he, she, it, we have to add does, and here you, we, they, we have to add do. Okay, now first in the structure is do. Yes, that's why we have to add here do. We have to write do. Next in the structure, look here, subject. In this, which is the subject? Here we is the subject. Yes, that's why we have to write here we. Do we? Next V1. V1 means verb. What is the verb? Play. Do we play? Next object. Object is chess. Do we play chess? And question mark. Okay. Do we play chess? Do we play chess? Now another sentence. Here look. First we have to add do. They is plural. That's why we have to add do. Next subject. Do they? Next, do they come here? Verb. Next object. Next, third one. You like tea? Now in this questioning form, do you like tea? Okay, now do and the subject, V1, object and question mark. Okay friends, if the subjects are he, she, it, we have to add before the subject does, because these are singulars. Yes, now first we have to add does. Does she learn English? Does she learn English? Okay, does she learn English? Now look here, observe here friends. Here I wrote yes, but here there is no S. Because here in this does there is a S, there is ES. That's why we didn't add the S here. But in this sentence there is no does. That's why we didn't add. That's why we add the S. Okay, don't confuse friends. Okay friends, now next one also. He likes book. He likes book. But I didn't write here likes, because here does have ES. That's why I didn't write. Next, I look smart. Here this is I. That's why I add here do. Do I look smart? Friends, are you understood? I hope you are understood. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I will reply to you. Okay? If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share to your friends and relatives. subscribe my channel and click bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.